Hi guys, thanks for stopping in this video. I'm going to show you 4 things we've done to improve this M3. Good looking car, as you can see. The first thing we've done is we've improved the security. So that's really important. These cars are getting nicked like crazy. Keyless cars have a big problem in that you can relay the key signal from inside your home back out to the car. So we've all seen these nasty videos on YouTube and stuff where the cars are getting stolen. No need to break the window or anything like that. Quite literally just unlock the doors, get in, start them up. So the way we've stopped this is with the AutoWatch Ghost. So this is a very clever immobiliser system that's hidden in the vehicle. It's smaller than your thumbnail, so it's a tiny piece of electronics. And the only way you can start this car is by entering a secret combination of button presses. So clearly I can't tell you what the button presses are, but it might be something like limit, down, down, mode 1. And that will then allow the car to start. Or in the case of the BMW, the vehicle will start as soon as you engage reverse or drive. The vehicle stalls immediately. So that's the first improvement we've made to the M3, the AutoWatch Ghost. Really well worth considering. The second thing we've done, and your vehicle may already have this, we've added a reverse camera. So this is not just any old reverse camera, it's a factory style reverse camera. As you can see, when I move the steering wheel, we've got the movable grid lines. We've also got the proximity alerts here. So this acts exactly like the factory camera. So that's improvement number 2 if you haven't already got this feature on your car, which of course you may have. The third thing we've done is seriously upgrade the hi-fi. So we've taken this well beyond Harman Kardon or Bang & Olufsen or anything like that. What we've done is we've added the Audiophile System 3 Plus with the party sub being the key. So in this car, we've massively upgraded the front speakers to focal ES 100Ks. We've soundproofed the doors inside and out, so the whole entire shell of the door has been removed and soundproofed. Then all the back of the door card has been done. So massive amount of acoustic treatment in there. We spend the best part of 5 hours installing a set of front speakers. Most car audio shops won't do that, we do. We've added a digital processor. In this case it's an Audison Bit10D, and here's a little display tucked in the console here. The Bit10D takes a signal from the front end. We can then time align it, we can clean it up, and we can tune it to the car. This little device here, the DRC, allows us to switch time alignment position, so we can tune it for the driver, and then we can give a neutral tune for the driver and the passenger. We can also hit this end key and we can turn up and down the level of the party sub being the beast in the boot, which I'm going to come to in a moment. The system's driven from 2 JL audio amplifiers, a 3-channel amplifier to run the front speakers, and the uprated subwoofers we've put underneath the seats. And the second JL audio amplifier runs the party sub. Let's just take a look at the party sub and you'll see why we call it a party sub. Sits really neatly right in the back of the boot there. It's a JL audio T5 subwoofer. Unfortunately, as you can see, this one's sustained a little bit of damage already on the grille. The idea of the grille is to protect it, of course, and it's done its job in this case. So you don't lose much space, and as you can see, no sign of any amplifiers. They're all completely hidden away. That's the third thing we've done to this car. So what's the fourth thing? The fourth thing we've done is add a driver protection in the form of the Stinger VIP. So this gives us radar protection, spotless protection, so protection against fixed speed cameras. It's got a huge database, all embedded in the system, so and free updates for a lifetime. We've also added radar, as I mentioned, radar detection on this system because it will be driven in Europe and radar is quite important over there. But what we've done with this, we've added a new laser protection, but the laser, we often see laser heads on cars and they usually look like a cigarette packet stuck underneath the number plate. Let's just look at the Stinger laser protection because it's quite different to anything you would have seen before. This is a final improvement we made to the vehicle. So right now I'm showing you the laser head. You probably can't see it. Let's just get a little bit closer, a little bit closer, a little bit closer, and there it is. That's right, it's actually a fibre optic laser head. So it's approximately 2.5mm across. So when you look at the front of this vehicle, it looks totally standard. But embedded in that panel there, that tiny, tiny laser head. So there you go. If you'd like to make some similar improvements to your BMW, just give us a shout on 01279 757 218 or jump on our website www.audiofile-incar.co.uk. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, give us a like and a follow, and you can keep in touch and see the extra videos that we're adding on almost a daily basis.